Welcome to the University of Lynchburg. I am John Eric Goff, Professor of Physics, and I'm here to talk to you very briefly about the physics department. If you're interested in taking physics, testing it out, maybe wanting to pursue the physics major, you should be enrolled in Physics 161, our calc-based intro to the physics major. You should also be concurrently enrolled in Math 103, which is Calculus 1. And if you think you've AP'd out of anything in physics, you should definitely contact me to make sure it's a good idea if you skip the first year or not. For those of you who are not interested in the physics major, but perhaps you're interested in maybe getting a gen ed science course, I will be teaching Physics 131, which is physics of sports, this coming fall. And you need an algebra trigonometry knowledge base, but we will not be using any calculus. So those of you interested in sports might want to try a gen ed science course with me this fall in the physics of sports. For those of you that are continuing onward in physics, or at least thinking about a possible major in physics, I do a lot of research in the field of sports physics. And one of the projects I do is test and research the World Cup soccer balls. So I've got here the Brazuca ball that was used in Brazil in 2014. I've got the Telstar 18 ball that was used in Russia in 2018. And I'll be testing the balls for the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. I also do a lot of work modeling the Tour de France. I've done projects with published in tennis and football and baseball. So there are a lot of different areas in which I do sports physics. I also dabble in quantum mechanics and condensed matter physics as well. In the physics department, we've also got research in astrophysics and some experimental physics. I'm happy for you to contact me and ask any questions you have about physics courses or physics department, or those of you who have looked at the 3-2 engineering program, I'm happy to talk to you about that. You can reach me by email at goff@lynchburg.edu, and I hope everyone has a safe, successful registration process during an admittedly very strange time right now, and hope to see many of you in the fall. Have a good registration process. Be safe.